The graph of a function f is shown right here. For which of the following values of a does the limit as x approaches a f of x is equal to 1? Alright, if a is equal to -2, which means as x approaches -2, so -2 from left hand side, it approaches 1. From right hand side, it approaches 1, right? So the limit value is equal to 1. So the answer is A. Alright? What if a is equal to -1? -1 from left hand side, 0, right hand side, 3. So limit doesn't exist. So limit as x approaches -1 f of x does not exist. DNE. Alright? What if a is equal to 0? Then as x approaches 0 from left hand side, it approaches 2, right hand side, it approaches 2, right? So the limit f of x is equal to. Okay? What if a is equal to 1? As x approaches 1 from left hand side, it approaches 3. From right hand side, approaches 3. So limit as x approaches 1 f of x is equal to 3. Alright?